hoodie. Man, that bitch a big thought. I don't trust these bitches dropping hoes soon as it get hot. Is her ass fat? Does she get money? That's too bad.
Hi Chizomi, it's Gymnastics here, and today's video is going to be on a cartwheel tutorial. And today's question is, do you think I should quit gymnastics and the tutorials, or just stick with them? So let's get straight into the video, and today's shout out goes to Harry Brackley. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna stretch. So you're gonna firstly do the lunge like I'm doing, and then do the backwards lunge, and then what you're gonna do is do the lunge on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the back bend. Now I'm literally just gonna stretch out my wrist and twist it, then my neck, and then my feet as well, but ankles. So this is what the cartwheel looks like. So the first thing you have to do is bend one of your knees, put your hands on the floor, and push off with your strongest leg. So the leg that's going to be in the air is the leg that you're not pushing off with. Okay, so you can also start with a hurdle as well, like this. To start this over again, you're going to have to put your hands on the floor, push off with your strongest leg. Make sure to subscribe and like and smash that bell, the notification bell. So I love you guys, and please do comment down what I should do next. And bye guys, see you guys.